SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Serve Robotics is sitting at $12. It's 8.3% down. So where the heck are we heading next? I want to be very clear. This thing, let me show you how this looks like, was absolutely being milked up. And I bought back like ranging from middle of December up until this point, like right here, big start of January. And here's all the proof that I got. I got 2 break-evens in a row as well. And then we had this bigger retracement. So what does that mean? It means that I'm still looking to buy, but I'm only really going to buy if there's a full candle close and a second break above $14.30, man. That's all I'm looking to do. And guess what? If the price keeps melting, then I'm just going to quietly remove this and not buy because my rules were never met. So stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.